Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to take free design courses directly from Canva using Canva Design School. So if you ever wanted to get better at your design, your branding, or even social media content, this is for you. Let us jump right in. And the fun part or the best part is it's totally free. So firstly, you head over to www.canva.com/learn. So it takes you directly to this content, articles, and resources which you could get design inspiration. You could take courses based on design, you could do marketing, you could do branding, you could do non-for-profit, teachers and students, and it is totally free, and it is also self-paced. So once you get on the page, you just pick which category you want to level in, and then you filter. You could go to designer. So for instance, now digital marketing, how to optimize photo collage for social media and print. You could click here, and then you scroll down, and then you have a video which you could watch directly on YouTube, and then you probably also have some designs you could try to bring to life, so examples and stuff. You could design it by yourself using what you learned in this video, and it's also very, very good. At the end of the course, you could also get Google certification, so it's very, very good. Another way also, you could also look for the Canva Design School is to log into your Canva account. So I'm going to just log into my Canva account, and I am on my Canva account right now. So you scroll over to the left hand side, and then you see where your profile where it says your name and your profile picture and stuff. You just click that very part, and then you scroll down, and then you see a few options which says settings, what's new, price, and then you see design school, and then when you click on it, it takes you directly also to the design school. So it's very, very good. You get certified at the end. You could write the exams and stuff and get certified. So, and that's it. Canva Design School is also one of the best ways to improve your design skills without spending a dime. And if you've learned something new, give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comment what courses you plan on taking.